Hello everyone, this is Rom from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how to make a pyramid in SketchUp. So for that, first of all, we will need a square because the base of the pyramid is a square. So I am taking a 30 feet by 30 feet square. Now you can use the tape measure tools to just draw the diagonals. Now that we have our diagonals, we have got the center of it. So what we will do? We will draw a line at the center. So I am just making this line 40 feet. Now I will just join the edges and make it a triangle. Now all I have to do is to just select the face, then go to the tools, and from there I will use follow me tool. Now I will click on the other surface on which I want to expand the previous one. So you can see how easy it was to just make a pyramid. Now I will get rid of my guidelines. Now what I will do, I will just select the whole object and reverse its face. After doing that, I can also apply textures on it. So for that, I will go to the different patterns, or I can go for the brick, in which I will select this one and I will just apply it all over. But this brick size is just too small for the pyramid, so I can change it. And how I can do that? I will just go to edit and then I will change the height. So let's make it 12 feet. And you can see we have a decent pyramid with us. So guys, this was a simple technique of making the pyramid in SketchUp. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to join our live online classes, then you can find a link in the description. All you have to do is to just register on that and I will personally give you a call. Thank you.